do. But now it ain't since I got you. Honey, don't you be so cruel.
Might eat one of those. Stocked for the day. I don't know what day it is, do you? It's a day. We're pre-running. First day with Mike Kim. With my guy, Mike Kim. Freaking legend.
It's Mike Kim Day.
Yeah. What day it is? Mike Kim. You gotta ask Mike that. What day is it, Mike? It's Mike Kim Day.
What? Where's Hector?
We're gonna pick him up on the way.
Oh, really?
Cause he lives on the way out of town. We can throw it in there. We'll reorganize when we grab Hector. Did Vaughn and Lauren went?
What is it showing? Is it full?
Yeah,
Love them.
dude, I don't know. I added it in and it just started exploding out. It's a freaking disaster. I don't even know what to do. I feel like I should just throw it away. We're K77, or no, we're at Ojos. First day with Mike Kim, and we're gonna run to K77 and then just keep making our way down. But yeah, first go play in all our favorite places. Ojos to 77. Whoops, ruts, chatter, everything. Dust. It's really a full package of stuff we hate. Oh, it's only getting bumpier. It's good though. We made good time. Just before 5.
That was quick.
Yeah, we did some searching before we saw you the time before. Like there was, because all that new stuff's like starting to get burned in, and there's just tracks everywhere. Really didn't find anything worthwhile. There's a bunch of dead ends basically. Maybe some sticks in our tires. A lot of cactus, I can tell you that. Yeah. Day 2. Morning. Just finished making my coffee. Now Ben's coffee's making. Let's all note that. It was taking so long I started drinking this one. I usually would have given him the first one. But yeah, day 2. I don't even have a plan of where we're gonna go run yet, but beautiful day. Recovered. A little sore. The first couple days kind of are like, oh, forgot how I feel bouncing around in a car for 12 hours a day. So feeling that a little this morning, but we plug away for more miles. Gotta finish some business before we hit the road. Morning breakfast, you know, I gotta get this one. The cheese does not want to come off. Healthy, Jimmy. They're pretty good. Taste standard. My boy wants some. He's quite the beggar. But understandably. Alright, let's roll. We're a little late, 8:30, 8:26. We've been here since like 7:45, but I've been on the phone working. Hey, we got it all figured out. I got a heli spot here, so we had to deal with that. Getting posters made since the lady said she can't make them now, even though I ordered them a while ago. What else? Yeah, all the goodies. Right now, so we're at Europan, which is like race mile 300 or something. So we're gonna go to the finish, which is like 3:30, and then because we can only pre-run to 3:30 to 3:40, and then from there we'll immediately go to K77, which is race mile like so from 30 to 60. So kind of coming in and hitting the start. So finish and start right now, all in one.
Oh,
So,
yeah.
like 100 miles without seeing my boy Hector. So
Boy.
Day 2, baby. Day 2.
Day 2.
good today.
Yeah. Pot stickers?
Pot stickers. About 23. I mean, there could be 24, but most likely only 22. Yeah, we just ran from Europan all the way to K77. It's good. Pretty standard. I mean, Europan's a little smoother than normal. A few big rain ruts like always, but it looks like there's someone spending a little time with a grader, so that's kind of nice. Yeah, not too bad. Just cruising. And then in Europan, man, it's just gate after gate after gate. And then, yeah, the last little bit, tiny bit of new section, so I had Ben drive, but yeah, he hit himself a cactus. Rookie move. Smoked a cactus and then turned left. Yeah. So shot right at him.
Oh, mother. Was I going fast then?
Yeah, real fast. Yeah, actually no, too fast. I don't freaking like driving. Dude, everything with this thing's about 2 minutes, about 5 seconds. Bro, sus. Yeah, they're pretty good, I think. But dude, no soy sauce. What the heck? That's false advertising. Look, it shows the soy sauce. Didn't come with any. So we're gonna try Valentina's to spice it up a little.
What?
You another mango, bro?
No.
Why not?
I've never seen anyone eat the skin before. I didn't think it was that bad eating it from the skin, honestly.
Well, you know what?
It's protein.
Yeah, I didn't think it was bad.
It is.
I said, you like it like that, right, Hector?
Yep, that's what I like.
Dude, you're the weird one.
I'm the weird one for eating my mangoes without
Yeah.
Dude, those guys are just on the gas everywhere.
Yeah.
On the course, on the highway.
They've been out here for 2 weeks now.
Good Lord, bro.
Since they got the map out. Just the map, not even the files.
What do they race?
Razor. Never finished though.
Because they just charge, dude. They pass us pre-run and I'm like, dude, that thing ain't no trophy truck. There's wah, 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 wah. You're like, oh damn.
The races, they're freaking done. They're freaking.
Race day, they go for
They
a
don't
pass.
even want to go out.
Race day, they want to pass a trophy truck.
Beast.
Dude, it's hot. I just can't get over how hot it is.
Yeah.
I'm like burning up over here. Like the sun is just beating down. My eyes hurt from it being so hot. And last year, we were talking about it a little bit ago. Last year was freezing pre-running for the Baja 400. It was raining, cold, miserable. And now it's 100 plus. I mean, I don't know what it is now, but it's probably at least 105. Mood swings with weather, global warming, global cooling. I don't know what it is, but
It's global.
it's global. It's at least here in Mexico. Whatever it is.
Where are we going now? What are we doing?
To the goat trail, man. K77 or K79 to the goat trail. It's pretty standard. Actually, there's a bunch of new sections, so that's what we were going through. I was texting someone last night. We were joking. Right now, the ideal mode of transportation through this new section would be a mountain bike, like an e-bike. It is tight. Scratched my new Razor all up. Like, what the heck, bro? But yeah, we'll go cruise through there, and I'm actually gonna take notes. So wish me luck. Ben's gonna drive.
We go rip this thing.
Yeah.
I only got one speed, bro. It's f***ing go, dude.
Go.
Yep. Or fast. I said it wrong.
Yeah,
Yeah,
guy,
bro.
he like hits stuff. He's like, whoa, whoa, whoa. I'm like, chill. It like scares him.
Probably not as much as it scares you, though, huh?
Yeah, it scares me.
Coming down the GO trail or coming out of Hamao?
Go trail.
Did the goat trail and now there's goats. Dude, they're actually sheep, bro. This guy's over here telling me they're goats.
I never said that.
He did. No interest, bro. We just want to be friends. I was gonna bring you bacon.
Do you have the bacon?
No. This reminds me of me trying to talk to girls.
Yeah.
I walk up at the bar, I'm like, or I walk up and I'm like, hey, how's it going? And they just
Dude,
into
same.
the bushes.
They're not afraid or anything, though. They're kind of just. They kind of just walked away, dude.
No, they're just not interested. Like I said, very relatable.
It's a fucking hard day, dude.
That's how it's been going.
It's a hard day.
Eating some popcorn.
Yeah.
Finished our second lap. Now we head back into town. That's a wrap on the day. Not too bad today. We out. See ya in a few days.